Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I believe this video will be the final video for my Solidworks Electric Eraser project. Alright, previously I have shown you from the beginning part 1 of my video how I do part modeling of the main casing of the electric eraser, and I split it into top casing and bottom casing. Then I make a separate split the top casing into rear top casing and front top casing. And also I've shown you part modeling of the other components like the tip holder, the gripper, the push button and the cap. Besides, also I've shown you modeling of I've not shown you the modeling how I did modeling of the AAA batteries, because that is a standard component, but it must be modeled in Solidworks to do assembly. And also I have done modeling on the switch button and other standard component. Alright, I've shown you how I do part modeling and of all the component, the parts of your electric eraser, and also I've shown you how I do the assembly file of the electric eraser. So this is, as shown here, this is exploded view, and we have this view, collapse view. Alright, I already shown you. Okay, then I've already shown you how I do this exploded view to show the exploded line sketch, and I have shown you a set of working drawing, how I do the assembly drawing, how I do the exploded drawing, how I do the bottom casing, the other four components, the rear top casing and also the front top casing. So this will be a full set of your working drawing. Alright. Okay, this video I need to explain to you how you send your works. You upload it to e-learning. Okay, you have two categories. The first is you have two parts to be uploaded to e-learning. The first part will be your Solidworks assembly file plus your part modeling of each component. Alright, to do this, you don't simply just save your assembly file and all your part modeling file and upload it to e-learning. That is not the way to do it. Okay, to do this, because we need to do pack and go. Okay, you must do pack and go. It means it compile everything, your assembly file together, because the assembly file is kind of like the parent. You compile it with all the children, all the part modeling of all the components involved in your assembly. So it will be packed into one package. Alright, to do this, you will do pack and go. Okay, you can save your assembly either in exploded mode, or you can save your assembly either in collapse mode. Alright. Okay, for example, you save in this is acceptable in exploded view mode. Okay, to do pack and go, here under the file here, you do not use save. You under file here, what you do, you go for pack and go. So in the menu here we have pack and go. Alright, so this menu appear. Okay, do not change anything. This all we have the assembly for, or the assembly file together with all the component here, all the part modeling file that we have done that involved in your assembly will be selected. Do not change anything. Alright, okay, here to save to folder here, you will browse here where you want to put the pack and go file into what location in your laptop. Alright, I would suggest go save it to the desktop of your laptop. For example, I show you, I browse here, so I will go to the desktop and I will make a new folder. Okay, in my case here, folder number 9. So I will double click and I will select the folder. So it means my pack and go will be put into my under my desktop under new folder 9. Okay, do not change anything, just remain as it is, and I just click save. Okay, what it will do, Solidworks will pack and go. It will compile the assembly file together with the children. All the part modeling file will be put into one folder. Let me show you. Okay, now this is my desktop screen. If you look under this new folder 9, we have all the part, the assembly file together with the part file. Alright. Okay, another thing is that I don't want you to do it like this. What I want you to do, make sure in your laptop you have already installed what we call it WinRAR or WinZip. I would suggest WinRAR. Install WinRAR, and you know what is WinRAR. You can compress it into one single file. So what I will do here, I will select everything here. So I will right click edit. So I will, under WinRAR here, I will So I will make the name of this WinRAR, this compressed file. Okay, this is a compressed file. I will compress it using WinRAR, then I name it, for example, eraser, electric eraser, and click OK. So it will compress into one file here. So all the file, the other file, I delete it. So this electric eraser compressed file, we have the a set of a set of the assembly file and the part modeling file, right? So this compressed file, you upload it into your e-learning. So this will be the part one, all right? This will be the part one. All right, about the part two is a set of working drawing. Okay, if you look here, this set of your working drawing. All right, for part number two, this drawing, you will not upload this drawing because it is SolidWorks drawing file. The format is, for drawing is DRW. You will not do this. I want you to save it as a PDF, all right? To save it as a PDF. Okay, here, the first page is assembly drawing. We have the first page, second page, exploded up until the front top casing is the last page. Okay, make sure before you compile to make the one set of PDF, make sure everything is done. Maybe you have some modification. The title block is completed. The name is right. Material is done. Your section, your name, drawing number also must be right. The scale must be right. All right. For example, I want to make a final adjustment on here. For example, here, there is a kind like a cylindrical shape. I must have the center line here under rotation, the center line, because that is kind of a cylindrical shape. There must be a center line. After you have made all the final adjustment and you have saved your file, then only you compile your set of working drawing as a PDF file. So how do we compile as a PDF file? Let me show you. Okay, a set, start from the assembly. Hold on. Okay, this is your assembly drawing. Okay, this is your assembly drawing. So we will compile all the drawing up until front top casing to a single PDF file. So what we'll do here, under the file here, you save as. So you have the option. Okay, hold on. Okay, this menu appears. So okay, let's say I go for the desktop, my desktop, and I go for new folder 9 where I send my just now pack and go file. Okay, this one I will go for PDF. Okay, I will go for PDF and I name it electric eraser working drawing. All right, then I will click save. Before you save it, so this thing appears. So as you can see here, with all the sheets that we already done, the exploded drawing, bottom casing, tip holder, gripper, button cap, rear top casing, and front top casing must be selected, must be highlighted. Then I click OK. So it will compile this and make it into one single PDF file. Okay, let me show you where is the PDF file. Okay, if I close this one, under my new folder 9, I have electric eraser working drawing. Then if I click at it, as you can see, let me make it minimize the view. So we have a full set. We have assembly drawing followed by the exploded. Make sure that you organize your drawing in order. First must be the assembly drawing in 2D. Make sure everything is completed before you convert this to PDF. Okay, I have a BOM. Make sure BOM is really at the upper right corner, snap at that borderline. Okay, then number 2 must be the exploded drawing. Okay, with BOM and balloons. Also here we have balloons, and followed by, as you can see, this bottom casing is 1. If we look at the BOM, must follow by drawing number 1 first. So this is the bottom casing. And if you look at the BOM, battery we don't have drawing, electric motor we don't have drawing, eraser tip holder, gripper, and the push button is drawing number 2. Must be in order. Do not just, if you don't make this in order, so in terms of your file management system, in terms of your drawing management is not good. All right. Okay, drawing number 1 followed by this is drawing number 2. Then we have drawing number 3, rear top casing, followed by drawing number 3, right top casing, and the last one is drawing front top casing, drawing number 4, followed by drawing number 4. So this will be a full set of your working drawing. Alright. Okay, before I end up this video, I just would like to say that what you have learned in this course is not just about engine drawing, not just about basic SolidWorks. You guys also learn about activities involved in product design. So what you guys been doing, you do part modeling of your product, like mine in this example is electric eraser. What you guys have been doing, you do part sketching on paper, then you transfer into part modeling to SolidWorks, then you make an assembly, you do exploded view, and you make a set of working drawing. So all these activities is important things, is a valuable knowledge that you have learned through these activities. These activities that you guys were involved when you involved in engineering design process. So your CAD file that you have done, and also this set of working drawing, is a valuable properties of yours. It means that is your copyright. When in industry that involved in design and manufacturing, a set of CAD file plus together with a set of working drawing is a valuable property of the company, because this is engineering documentation that every company that involved in design and manufacturing, they will have this thing. Alright, I think inshallah you guys, when in the future you can do better product design, and I believe when you graduate from UTM, inshallah you can become an entrepreneur, you set up a company, a design company, and you do collaboration with the manufacturing company. And it's about time for our country. We're not just country in industry that nowadays we only have industry involved in manufacturing. It's about time that we do product design. We design a product and also we manufacture a product. So mean that you guys can form a company, collaborate with manufacturing company. You guys, when you graduate from UTM, you're not seeking job, but you guys, you create a job. Okay, I believe inshallah you guys will succeed in the future. Okay, akhir kata, selamat maju jaya semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.